Welcome to Suburban DIY. My name is Rich. This video is episode 8 in the DIY bathroom renovation series. Links to episodes 1 through 7 are in the description below. To get you caught up, we just completed installing the shower and tub niche, which is a recessed shelf built into the wall providing storage for shampoo and soap.
Sweet. Looking good. Yeah.
So let's get into refurbishing the bathroom cabinets. And as always, thanks for watching. This vanity or bookcase cabinet, whatever you call it, is just outside the bathroom that we're working on. So what we decided to do, we will also work these doors. I gotta take them off, paint it, all of those things. But we're gonna replace this countertop as well. So it'll be the same one that we're putting into the bathroom. Pretty straightforward piece, but I gotta take the top off. The bathroom renovation project is progressing nicely. We still, however, have much to do. Next up is finishing the shower tiles, and then we're on to the new flooring. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so we can see you on our next DIY video. If you want to see more videos where we fix a lot of different things, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.